Hey and welcome to Alt1. So, have you been trading a little by yourself and you're not successful? You see you lose trade after trade after trade and you're just losing money. If that is you, well, I have good news for you. I'm trading live every single Saturday completely for free. And you can join me. I will show you where I trade. I will show you how I trade, and I will show you how you can make money. Basically, just copy what I'm doing while I'm trading. Okay. So, if that's you, well, below the video, you find a link to my Discord. I trade live there every single Saturday. And my plan is when I start to get enough people, I will trade every single day for free. So you can just join me and trade together with me. Now, for that also, I have made a super account for you. So if you have an account with pocket option from before, make sure you withdraw your money, okay? Then close your account, because I am giving you 60% of my affiliate income back to you. This will be paid in form of cashback every time you trade. You will get paid this cashback every time I get paid as affiliate from Pocket Option. You will get paid also. How cool is that? So, make sure you use the link below the video and sign up, because only with the link below the video you'll get a super account. And not only that, on your first deposit, I give you 50% on your first deposit. So using the link is automatically, you get 50% extra on your first deposit. But that is only if you deposit more than $100. That is the limit for activate that 50%, okay? So make sure you do that. Now, let me just show you a little how this trading strategy I'm using, how you can follow in my live session and all this good stuff. So, first link below the video is for my Discord. Second link is for this broker, okay? So let's get to it. Now I will just show you very fast how I'm trading. Basically what I do, I just open a few pairs, typically I open all over the screen. I find certain areas where I want to trade. I do like this, I just push horizontal line, then come up a few lines here. We don't need that many, so you can delete that one. Green is basically where I want to be buying. So for example down here, that will be an area that I would take a trade. So you can see now we are getting down there. Maybe we take one live here now. Let's see, there we got a very good entry down here. Then we basically just need to wait for 1 minute for this one to close, okay? And also in the top, I make a line up here also. I do something like this, I take a line up here. So that is an area where we are looking for sell opportunities, okay? So sell opportunities up here, buy opportunities down here. And we take 1 minute close, only because when we see the bars here, typically they get a refusement after 1 minute. That's why we keep it to 1 minute also, okay? So 1 minute closing, and I'll say like, I make it very simple. I'd show you this line you see up here. When they come up to that line, and if you can see the number, I say 0.57733 till you get it. And now you can see, if you did take a trade directly on this line here now, you see, we won that trade. I did get that trade much lower, but if you did take the trade exactly on line, you would have won also. To see how simple it is, how easy it is to make money with binary option just by following what I do. So then basically you just wait for this bar to, for example, come up to this red line here. What you do, red line, red color, push down. So I don't call it resistant line, I don't call it support line. That is unnecessary because not everyone understands that. So red line, red button, green line, green button. And you just push when they come. And I will always tell, because the live session in Discord is 100% live. That means there are no delays. So when I push the button, basically it's the same time you'll push the button. In YouTube live sessions, you might have like a 5-6 seconds delay. So, but in Discord it's so much better, okay? So it's super easy to follow and you can make money with me. It's like you can see here now, just in front of you guys, I made $88 just to show you how I'm trading. That is how easy it is. And yes, you have good time, like no was not so good time, but typically when I go in and mark up, and you have good time, like for example, coming down here again, you have good time to push the button, and up here you have good time to do so too. Of course, eventually he will break the line in either direction, break the line up or break the line down. That will happen, but our win rate is as good as 7 and 8 winning trades out of 10 trades. That's how much you're winning. So you will make money. Not you only make money, you will be printing money, okay? So if this is something for you, like I said, make sure you join this broker with the link you find below the video. And also make sure you follow me in Discord so you can follow me there and make money with me and trade live together with me. So I hope I see you on Saturday. And if I start to see enough people, I will start to trade every single day together with you. If that sounds amazing for you, well, join the broker, put in some money, and let's trade together on Saturday. Have an amazing day.